Okay, so in this video I want to show you how to set up an ODBC connection to a Microsoft SQL Server to be used in AutoSQL. So here we have AutoSQL, and if I say get DSN, then I don't automatically get connections to my SQL Server over here. I first have to set up an ODBC connection for that. So in order to do that, I go to the control panel, and within the control panel you go to administrative tools, and there you have your ODBC data sources. So typically for SQL Server you pick the 64-bit, and here you can add a new one, and then you have to select the driver. Now with Microsoft SQL Server it's always there already, pre-installed with Windows, so that's not a problem. So you choose the SQL Server, you say finish, and then you have to go to a couple of steps like my SQL Server, and then you select, actually you can select the server from drop down. So in this case I have a local SQL Express server, and I can select it over here. Might take a little bit because it will scan the network for the available servers. So there you have the available servers it found. So this is the one I need. Then I say next. Here you can put in the authentication. So in this case I will just connect with my Windows authentication, but you can also provide a specific user, which of course for scheduling jobs it's a lot better. So but for this case we'll just show you how to do it with local authorization. You can change your default database, any option, and at some point you finish, and then you can also test your data source. It says it's completed successfully, so then you're actually done. So you click OK, and now we have it over here. But what you will see is that it's also available in AutoSQL from this point. So now I have it here as an entry as well, and I can just start creating actions with AutoSQL, creating queries, execute them, and put them in Excel files, send them to your mail, to anyone. So all of that is also available in other videos. This is just to show you how to set up your ODBC connection. So check out the other videos if you want to know more about AutoSQL in general.